In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps in Windows 11. Method 1. Basic checks. First, restart your PC. Then open Microsoft Store again and try downloading the app. Next, make sure your internet is working properly. If the internet is slow, restart your Wi-Fi router and try downloading the app again. Method 2. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Click in Search. Type WS Reset. Select Run as Administrator. Wait for the Microsoft Store to reopen automatically. Then try downloading the app again. Method 3. Repair or reset Microsoft Store. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll down, click on System Components. Next to Microsoft Store, click on 3 dots. Select Advanced Options. Scroll it down. First, click on Terminate. Then, Repair. Afterwards, try to download apps again. If that doesn't work, click on Reset and check if it works for you. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our Part 2. Link is given in the description. See you in the next video.